So good afternoon. We are the research team 1 from grade 11 STEM 1, and our topic is the impact of extracurricular activities on grade 11 STEM students. And this research aims to investigate the impact of extracurricular activities on grade 11 STEM students in Central Visayas. So before we proceed to our question, gusto ko lang po sabihin sa'yo na lahat ng magiging sagot mo at sasabihin mo nanatiling confidential at hindi mo ito makakalabas dito. So what language do you prefer to know? Number 1. What do you think are the advantages of participating in extracurricular activities?
Most likely not all their experiences, but also the knowledge that it's
Number 2. What do you think are the disadvantages in participating in extracurricular activities?
Most likely kapag may more activities na ahead of time since you have to provide enough time for it. May mga lessons ka na kumbaga may mga lessons ka na malalak ka na hindi ka na mag-gaan.
Number 3. What type of extracurricular activities are you involved in, and why did you choose it?
For my experience in my high school life, I go physical and academical extracurricular like Tangkay Club, DLM.
Number 4. Can you describe your responsibilities or roles that inlines to your extracurricular activities?
As an officer for clubs that I participated in, most likely you have to set aside a certain hour para magkaroon din kayo ng maayos na communication with each other.
Last question. What do you think is the effects in joining extracurricular activities?
I think for me, not only experience, pero kasi may additional din kasi extracurricular activities. So, it's funny at the same time.
I think that's all. Thank you.